Hey everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. I don't know about you, but when renovating a bathroom, having a quality hardware set is super important to me. And I found the red one by BAGNOLUX. This is the brushed old gold color. And I love the fact that it's very heavy duty, super sturdy, and it comes with a complete set of four. You can use it for your towels, for your hand towels, toilet paper, and for a rope holder. You're going to see that the instructions are super clear. It literally took my husband less than 20 minutes to install three of them. I'm still thinking of where to put one more. As you can see, this is the hand towel, but I decided to have it as a tissue organizer. And I decided to use the other one for the toilet paper and one for the towels. I really love how my bathroom looks with these beautiful hardware sets. They bring so much elegance and it looks super organized. I would highly recommend them. They come in other colors as well. And that's my point of view.